Well, here are the numbers. The reality check. In Delhi, there have been 14 chikungunya-related deaths and 1,057 reported cases. 13 people have died of dengue and 1,158 cases have been reported. What about Maharashtra? Well, there are 3 dengue deaths, but 2,500 reported dengue cases, of which 122 have been from Mumbai.
28-year-old Savita is in shock. After battling for life for nearly a week, her husband, Police Constable Anup Baghel, has died of dengue. While on duty in Maharashtra's Raigad district, Anup was detected with dengue. But with his condition deteriorating, he was shifted first to Mumbai's Mahatma Gandhi Memorial and then to Hiranandani Hospital for further treatment. Ultimately, though, he couldn't be saved.
सर उसका गणपति बंदोबस्त के लिए उसका ड्यूटी लगी थी वहाँ, तो गणपति बंदोबस्त के लिए ड्यूटी के लिए गया था वहाँ। एडमिट होने के जैसे उसको ले जा रहे थे एम्बुलेंस से, तो उसको फ़ोन आया उनको कि भाई इसकी तबीयत सीरियस है।
Mumbai's Rajnikant Dhabade considers himself lucky. After being detected with dengue, Rajnikant had to be shifted to the ICU for a day as his platelet count dropped drastically, leaving him critical. But he is now recovering.
एक्चुअली मैं गोवंडी में रहता हूँ और यहाँ से मैं 5-6 दिन हुआ मैं यहाँ पे एडमिट हूँ और बिकॉज ऑफ डेंगू आई एम फीलिंग वेरी बैक पेन एंड स्टमक पेन.
3 people have died due to dengue in Maharashtra this year and over 2,500 cases have been reported.
20 से 25 पेशेंट वीकली इज कमिंग फ्रॉम ऑफ डेंगू आते हैं और मोस्टली गोवंडी, चीता कैंप, वाशीनाका एरिया, कुर्ला ईस्ट, Chembur itself is under dengue.
In a bid to tackle the menace of dengue, the BMC has been carrying out routine checks across the city, sending out notices to homeowners if even a trace of dengue-breeding mosquitoes are found on their property, actor Shahid Kapoor being one of them. But complete eradication is still far away. In Mumbai with camera person Sudesh Tavte, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.